What is up, nation? My name is Terminates, and let's get right into the news because it looks like Hasbro, or not even really Hasbro anymore. It seems like YouTube itself is actually taking down pony channels, or really just channels in general. We actually saw a bunch of campaigns where Only Use Me Blade got taken down. If you don't know him, he's a fairly popular YouTuber with about 500k subs who was recently taken down for the same thing that Digibro was actually just taken down for, which is spam games and misleading content and etc. like that. Now, if you don't realize, this isn't a copyright takedown to my knowledge. This is an actual TOS takedown, and most likely this was due to ad file links in his description of his videos. If you guys do not know, ad file links are against the TOS. I was actually warned by my network not too long ago that YouTube was going to start cracking down on this, as they did for tags in the description and tags in your captions and etc. YouTube is cracking down on their policies, and they are actually enforcing their policies. All these things have actually been rules, they just haven't been enforced, and now they're doing it. These videos that they're going back and getting people for are sometimes 2, 3, 4, 7 years old. And in this case, I don't know exactly if it was ad file links or not, but this is the most common response for this kind of takedown. As always, guys, it's been Terminates. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you guys in whatever I make next. Peace, the limb out.